Calculating percent yield. In this problem it says consider this equation or reaction. 2a plus b yields 3c plus d. So a, b, c, and d representing some elements or compounds, and 2 and 3 and the ones before b and d representing the coefficients. So 3 moles of a plus 2.0 moles of b react to form 4 moles of c. What is the percent yield of this reaction? So percent yield is actual yield over theoretical yield times 100%. So we know that our actual yield is 4 moles of C. So what we have to figure out is our theoretical yield. So to figure that out is we have to use what we were given. So 3 moles of A and 2 moles of B. So to figure out the limiting reactant, because we have to figure out the limiting reactant and what its theoretical yield, what it's going to actually yield, is we have to do 3 moles. We have to divide it by the mole ratio that we have here, which is 2. So that's the coefficient, and then for this one we have to divide it by its coefficient, which is 1. And so we get that this is 1.5 moles and that this is 2 moles. So we see that A actually has less moles, so A is our limiting reactant. So I'm going to use the number of moles of A because A is a limiting reactant. So I'm going to do 3 moles times 3 divided by 2 because we want to get the moles of C, and that's going to give us the moles of C. So using that mole ratio, I get that the moles of C are 4.5 moles. So that's the moles of C I have. So using the mole ratio, this is what I get. So this is my theoretical yield. So using that, I can go to my equation now. So I have my actual yield, which is 4.0 moles of C, and then we have the theoretical yield, which is 4.5 moles of C times 100%. And when I do this calculation, I get that it's 89%, and that is the percent yield for this problem, 89%.